plot a part. Prints a part of the drawing to a plotter, printer, or file. Useful command when you want to print a part of a large drawing. Run the command and you will see a dialog showing the current settings for paper size and scale. To draw a part to your drawing, select new paper size and scale if you want to print in different scale. Select to print a drawing stamp, useful to know to the original drawing that printed from. Press OK. A rectangle appears to indicate the paper size. Press Enter to accept the size. Select an option to what you want to print. OK. Or Move. Or Rotate. Move is the default option, so enter to move the rectangle in the new place. Invoke plot command. Select view option from what to plot and then select plot a part. See a preview of what to plot and press enter.